guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Fern. Thank you so much for clicking on this video today. I say this every time, but as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another Primark haul. I know, where are these Primark hauls coming from? I don't know. Yeah, so if you didn't know, I used to do quite a few Primark hauls pretty much every month, and I hadn't done one for ages just because I didn't find anything in Primark and I just wasn't really binge shopping in there anymore. But last month with January I did a Primark haul and loads of you guys were loving it, so I decided to do another Primark haul because I popped into Primark today actually. I went to Cardiff and I picked up a few things for holiday, and there was a few other things in between as well. So if you do want to see what I've picked up from Primark, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'll start off with the first thing because these I didn't get today. I got these like 2 weeks ago maybe. I haven't worn them yet, but I don't want to return them because I really like them. So I saw these and I just love like animal print. Obviously nothing real because that's horrible and gross. But like leopard print, snake print, I don't know. But this print I thought was absolutely gorgeous, and I don't like my toes, so I don't really wear like strappy little heels. I like to keep my toes covered. So this kind of covers most of your toes and you can just see like a couple of them. I don't mind something like this. And the heel is nice and chunky, not too high, and it's got the middle bit as well. I just thought these were really nice. Something that's like quite casual, I'd say. Like I'd definitely wear these just on a day out with some jeans and a nice top, chuck some heels on, because I'd walk around, I don't know, if you go for drinks or if you're doing a little bit of shopping. I wouldn't like walk around all day in them because they're probably not that comfortable. But then you could definitely wear these for a night out as well, or cocktails with the girls, or date night or something. I just really liked these, and they're a nice sturdy shoe. I got these in a UK size 5 because that's my size, and these were £12 from Primark, so not like super cheap, but obviously they're only £12. You probably have to pay something like £30 for these in Topshop or River Island or something, and the quality does feel really nice on them, so I really like these, and I won't be returning them even though I have way too many shoes. Next thing I picked up is something that really strange. I think it was maybe a week or two ago. I had gone to Cardiff with Beth and her sister Louise, and I saw this jacket or coat, or it's a jacket, and I really liked it because I kind of wanted like a bomber jacket, like big puffer bomber jacket for a while, and I liked the colour, and I was like, oh, I do really like it. And I tried it on, but I just couldn't really bring myself to buy it at the time, and I was like, no, I don't need it. I have so many jackets. That's another thing. I have way too many coats and jackets and way too many shoes, way too many clothes really. But I saw this today and it was in the sale, so it's kind of like it was meant to be. So I don't know whether any of you guys would have seen this. I think they have got other colours, but it's literally a cream, like peach. Is it called like a peach? It's not fuzzy or anything, but it's not like it's not a satin material or anything. It's quite a, I don't really know how to explain the material to you. It's literally just a big cream puffer coat. I got this in a medium, which is a 12 to 14 because they didn't have any smalls, which would have been a 10 to 12. This is like a little bit big, but I kind of like that. Like, just, it means you can layer jumpers underneath it, and it does obviously make you look bigger, but I think that's like the style. Is it's a puffer jacket, like they're supposed to be big and oversized and comfy. But I couldn't resist because this jacket was originally £25 and it was reduced to £10, so I couldn't say no to this for £10. I just think it's really cute, and definitely something that I should have picked up earlier through the cold weather, but obviously it was £25 when I last saw it, so I picked this up for £10, got it in a medium. It fits fine, probably could get it in a small, but I love it. I needed to pick up a few more holiday bits. I've already bought some like bikinis from Misguided, and I've got a few other little bits, but I need to like pick up some more. So I wanted to get some like flip-flops and sandals because Primark are like my go-to holiday footwear and like clothes, if you don't want to spend loads and you just want something that's like light and just flowy, Primark is your best friend. So I picked these cute little sandals up because again, I like the things that kind of go over your toes. These are just flat sandals with one big strap there, and obviously then they strap up around your ankle. I thought these were really cute. I love obviously white because it contrasts really nicely with a tan, and it'll go with pretty much anything. I didn't want to get black because I've got a similar pair in black already, and I just really liked the white because it looks better with a tan. And these were only £4, like £4. That's what I mean. Primark is your saviour. Like, if you just don't care about getting shoes ruined, or you just want something for by the pool or the beach or whatever you're doing, just go to Primark, because even though they're not like amazing quality that costs you £40, who wants to pay £40? I know I don't. £4, however, I can deal with. I also picked up some of Primark's famous flip-flops. You can never go wrong with these. They're 90p, so not even £1. These are 90p. Literally just your casual flip-flop. I got these in a medium, which is a 5 to 6. I'm a size 5, so they fit me quite nicely. And yeah, for 90p, these are easy, just poolside, beach. Like, I could leave them there and it really wouldn't matter. So I got a black pair because obviously it goes with everything. And I also got exactly the same, but just in white. And these were also 90p and also a size 5 to 6. Yeah, black and white pair. Easy breezy. I also picked up some of Primark's nails. Now, if you know me, I get acrylic nails quite often. I actually don't have them on because I bit them off. Shouldn't have, but I always do. But I'm gonna give my nails a break now until I go on holiday, so give them like 2-3 weeks just to kind of do their thing, and then I'll probably have my acrylics back on for when I go on holiday. But when I went to Cardiff earlier with my cousin Karis, she actually had like Primark stick-on nails, and she uses them quite a lot. So I was like, do you know what? I haven't actually used stick-on nails in years, like years. So I was like, I'll give them a go. They were only £1. Some of them were £3. Don't know what the difference was, whether they were like better quality, but I knew the other ones had like loads of patterns and like chrome and stripes and all sorts of stuff, so maybe that's why they were £3. So I picked up 2 packs. It came in a pack that looks like this. They're just called Snow. These were £1. Square nails from Primark. I just filed them myself after I've popped them on, just so they look a bit more like straight and square, because they're slightly rounded, but I think you're supposed to like file them yourself anyway. So yeah, these were £1. Obviously the glue's not great because I've lost 2 already and I've only had them on like 4 or 5 hours. So I'm going to stick them back on and see how they last overnight. And I also picked up, they kind of come out of the packet a little bit, another pack that was £1. These are long pointed glossy nails in like a nudie pink kind of colour. These are like long pointy ones though, which I liked. So I'm going to try them afterwards. I also picked up a little white bandeau top because you can never go wrong with these, and I feel like on holiday, especially if you're trying to avoid getting like loads of strap lines and tan marks on your shoulders, then strapless things and bandeaus are like the way forward. Obviously again, white goes really nicely with a tan and will go with pretty much anything and everything, whatever kind of bottoms you want to wear with it, whether that's like trousers, skirts, shorts, your bikini bottoms. Anything. It was only £3 and I got this in a size small, which is the 10 to 12. I don't think they had an extra small, which would have been a 6 to 8, but this fits me fine anyway. Obviously they're really elasticated and stretchy, so yeah, thought this would be perfect to just throw in and take away. And I think they had other colours too, but I just wanted the white. It's literally just like a beach cover up, so it's a really like sheer thin fabric, but like that's okay because you're probably going to put it on over your bikini, and it's kind of got like a slight pattern on it, if you can see that, and it's got a really low plunge neckline. It's got like a rope detail with some rose gold things here, so you cinch that in your waist and tie it in the middle, and then it just goes down into a, if I can show you, into a floaty little dress, and it does cover really, really nicely. I think it looks really flattering with this tied in the middle, and it's just got a plunge back and front, but perfect just to throw on over bikinis. And again, I got it in the white because it looks good with a tan. I got this in a size small, which is a 10 to 12, and this was only £5, so I thought, why not? This will be perfect for on the beach when you just want to cover yourself up, or if you're getting some food or something. I mean, I don't really know what Barbados is going to be like, so I kind of just got it anyway. But yeah, really, really like that. And on to the last two items, which are also shoes. So, little story time. I've been looking for a nice pair of just plain white trainers for weeks now, and I'm seeing so many girls and guys over on Instagram just pairing like such cute outfits, and they've just got like plain white trainers. So there was a crazy hype over the Alexander McQueen trainers, I think, which everyone was loving, and I didn't really look into it that much. Like, they were just a pair of trainers to me at the time, didn't really care, and obviously they probably would have been expensive, so I wasn't really going to go and spend money on them. I have a pair of trainers that I tend to wear quite a lot. They are like dupes or lookalikes of the Balenciagas, because I can't quite afford to buy them yet. I do really like them though, but they're from LULU fashion, but they're like a chunky kind of trainer, which is like beige and white. I just wanted like a plain standard white trainer. So I'd been looking online everywhere and asked a few people, but like whatever ones they got a while ago and it was sold out, or the ones I wanted were just sold out. So I went and purchased a few things on Misguided. I've actually got to return them and buy, well, I've ordered another pair because the 5 were too small, so I'm getting 6. So I've got a pair that I like from Misguided, but when I went into Primark today, I saw that they had like similar trainers that were really cute. So the first pair are these. These are the style that I liked the most. I don't really know what they look like. I don't know whether they're similar to like an Adidas style shoe, or whether these are actually similar to the Alexander McQueen, because I know that the expensive ones had something on the back. So these have got like a black bit with a little label. Yeah, these were only £12, which, you know, £12 for a trainer, like, sure. And they also have these, which I guess you can say look like Converse. They've got like the little bit on the toe there, and they're a lot like smaller. They're a lot smaller, a little bit thinner, not as chunky, but they just kind of look like a pair of white Converse, just without the Converse on the back. These were only £8, so I'm going to compare them all when the Misguided ones come and see which ones I really like the most. But I think that is pretty much everything that I have to share with you guys today. I do hope you enjoyed. I know it wasn't anything like massively exciting, but like I said, obviously I'm picking up some holiday stuff quite early. I had to look for like bikinis and shorts and stuff, but I wasn't really feeling anything. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I love filming these, and I hope you enjoyed my London vlog as well. I had such a good time at the Boo Avenue event. If you haven't seen that, it was the video before, so go and check it out, because I met so many lovely girls and had a fab time. I completely forgot when I actually started this video, I hit 2,000 subscribers, which is actually insane. Thank you so much to everyone that is subscribed and has subscribed recently, or if you've been here like for the past year or so. That's absolutely insane. Thank you so much. I don't really know what to say. I know that 2,000 literally probably doesn't seem like anything to most people, because compared to people who have 500,000 subscribers or like 1 million or 10 million, 2,000 isn't that much in comparison. But I don't want to compare myself to other people. It still means that 2,000 people, like if there were 2,000 people stood in front of me, they subscribed to my channel, which is like scary. And I've also recently actually hit 3,000 over on my Instagram, so thanks so much if you do follow me on there as well. But yeah, I'm kind of setting myself the goal to try and reach 5,000 subscribers by the end of this year, which would be mad. You never know. If you aren't subscribed, please do subscribe before you leave. Let's try and get to 3,000 as soon as we can. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, give the video a like, leave a comment down below telling me what your favourite item was in this haul, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.